This is the powdered stuff. Grease and grime. I was wondering if it did grease. I put a little bit of fairy liquid in with mine, a little drop of that. So I put it in a bucket. I use one of these micro fleeces, but to really look at the difference. It's so good cleaning, you almost don't need to paint. And there was some areas where it's deteriorating. Down along this ledge here, all the paint was chipping off, so I came along last night and sanded that all down and primed it with the exterior primer. And today I'm going to put the polyfilla. This is exterior and interior on that part there. But that's mainly about the sugar soap. The stuff works. If you can see it, that's the thing. You know, sometimes you can't see it that clearly how good it works, but it takes the stuff off. And then the issue is whether you remove the residue. If it shows up and it's annoying, remove it. Wipe it down with a damp cloth and get rid of the residue. Sometimes just leave it. I do. Do what you want, but if it's really bad, I gotta wipe it off. That little place there where the trim was missing, so I used some green grip fill. Stuck it on there and wedged it in place for a minute. Hey, look at me in the window. So that's it. Sugar soap. It makes the job a lot better.